Good morning, dear students, respected viewers and honorable guardians. Welcome to online class brought to you by Aliazam School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, I know all of you are doing great and studying at home and doing online class minutely and do your homework regularly. You know, due to COVID-19 pandemic, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. Dear students of class 8 to 10, this class is made for you. Before going to our class, let me introduce myself. I am Shimarani Bonik and I have been working as a teacher of English in Aliazam School and College, Munshirat, Fulgaji, Feni. Dear students, let's move on to our today's class. Can you guess something about the sentences? I am going to read out the sentence. It is a nice. Yes, you are right. It is not a sentence. Another sentence. The flower looks very nice. Guess something about this? Oh yes, you are right. It is a sentence. Thank you, dear students. You have rightly guessed that our today's topic's name is sentence. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, you will be able to tell about sentences, rearrange the jumbled words into kinds of sentences. Let us know what is sentence. A sentence is a word or group of words that must expresses a complete idea or sense or meaning and that may consist of a subject and a verb. For example, they practice English every day. Here, they is subject. Practice is verb. English is object and every day is adverb. Basically, there are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Subject. A subject of a sentence is a person or thing about which something is said or written. Predicate and the predicate that says what the subject does. In the above example, they is subject and practice English every day is predicate. A sentence usually starts with the subject and then predicate comes. Types of sentences. Structurally, sentences are of three types: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Now, kinds of sentence. Sentence can be classified into 5 categories according to the meaning or functions. They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now, assertive sentence. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history or anything is called an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence ends with a period. Dear students, period mean full stop. Assertive sentences can be either affirmative or negative. Sentence pattern: subject plus verb plus object or complement or adverb or adjective. For example, English is my favorite language. This is affirmative sentence. They do not do bad things. This is negative sentence. Everybody should know English. You know, should is a modal. Interrogative sentence. The sentence which asks a question is an interrogative sentence. This kind of sentence usually ends with a note of interrogation. I mean question mark instead of a period. You know, period means full stop. An interrogative sentence can be either affirmative or negative. For example, do you want to go there? Did you see her? Have you watched the movie? Why haven't you completed your homework? Don't you know who she is? Can't we be friends again? Interrogative sentence is divided into two categories. Number 1, yes, no question. For example, are you a student? Number 2, WH question. For example, what is your name? Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a request, command, order, advice, suggestion, etc. is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence usually ends with a period, that is full stop. In an imperative sentence, the subject is usually unexpressed. It is understood rather. Sentence pattern: subject, that is invisible, plus verb plus object or where. For example, take care of you. Give me the book. Do it now. Be honest. Optative sentence. The sentence which expresses a prayer, keen wish, curse, etc. is called an optative sentence. This kind of sentence generally starts with may and wish. Sometimes may remains hidden. Sentence pattern: may plus assertive. For example, may you live long. May Allah bless you. Wish you all the best. Long live Bangladesh. Can be formed without may. Exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses a sudden and intense excitement, disgust, admiration, shock or sorrow, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. This kind of sentence must have a note of exclamation at the end or in the middle of the sentence. Sentence pattern: alas or hurrah or bravo or what or how, etc. plus others. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, he has failed the competition. Bravo, you have done a great job. How blessed I am to see such a sight. What a nice car you have. These are all examples of exclamatory sentence. Dear students, summary. The declarative sentence merely makes a statement. You know, declarative is an assertive sentence. The imperative sentence expresses a command, order or request. The interrogative sentence asks a question, and the exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden emotion. Evaluation: what we have learned today. Tell me, what is sentence? Okay, you are right. Thank you. Another one can tell me how many kinds of sentence? Yes, you are also right. Thank you. What are the categories of interrogative sentence? What are they? Yes, you are right. Thanks again. Give an example of imperative sentence. Well done. Thanks a lot. Homework. Dear students, now I am going to give you a homework. Our today's homework is rearrange the jumbled words into 5 kinds of sentences. Now I am going to read out the sentences for your better understand. Number 1, country, I, my, love. Number 2, student, A, aren't, you. Note of interrogation. Number 3, regularly, your, learn, lesson. Number 4, all, you, wish, best, the. And last one, number 5, where, if, A, I, butterfly. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's session. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Wear mask when going out. Stay home, stay safe, because you are our future Bangladesh. Goodbye, best wishes, good luck and thank you.